On June 20th, 2025, an Arkansas state trooper responds to a report of a stolen Corvette taken from a Walmart. While en route to the area, he spots the Corvette and begins to follow. As the traffic stop is initiated, the driver takes off, pushing speeds well beyond the limit, forcing the trooper to take action. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
The R5S is at my car. .48. Jones, dispatch. This is 48 Alpha. Be attempting to go 1024 with that red Corvette. Be Highway 63 here at the red light at Mont Ridge with Adam William Robert 557. Roll one is down. Burroughs starting to take off. Red light here, one is taking off. It's 1037 northbound on 63. Good. I'm trying to get there right here. The main. We're continuing northbound on 63 past 67. Sarah, pull the car over. Stop the car, Sarah. Sarah, just stop the car. Pull over. So you don't get hurt, Sarah. Just stop the car. TVI, we're in the ditch. Sarah, show me your hands. Sarah Bates, I know who you are. Show me your hands. Don't grab a habit when at gunpoint. Sarah, shut the car off. look at me. Sarah! Sarah Bates, look at me. Sarah! Shut the car off. 48, dispatch. 48 Jonesboro. We're going to be here on 63 near County Road 514, I believe. Sarah, look at me. Show me your hand. Sarah, show me your hand. '63 514 Road. Open the door and step out. Sarah, open the door and step out.
B48, do you copy?
Sarah, get over here, now. You see what I'm holding? Listen to me. Get over here. Turn around. Get down on your knees. Face down on the ground. Lay down like an airplane. Arms out to your side. That was stupid.
TVI, he's off
What the heck is your
53
problem?
by, I think it's Lawrence County 540 road.
You'd be in a lot less trouble if you just pulled over. What the heck do you think you're doing?
What do you mean?
Get up. Get up. Listen to me. Look at me. You have the right to remain silent, Sarah. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, the court will appoint you an attorney at no cost to you. If you decide to answer questions at this time, you may do so. If at any point in time during question you'd like to stop and ask for an attorney present for any further questions are asked or answered, you may do that as well. Do you understand your rights as I've read them to you, Sarah?
No,
You don't understand which part?
no,
I know that. You already said that. Which part do you not understand?
all of it.
All of it? Okay. Well, here's what I do know. You're intoxicated.
I'm not intoxicated.
That's not your car. And you just ran from me at over 113 miles an hour and wouldn't pull over.
I didn't know.
You didn't know? That's why you kept looking down when I pulled up beside you?
Don't do that.
Get in the car. Sit down.
Well, that was stupid. On your part. You got anything illegal on your person? Anything you can't take into jail? Ah, you're on camera. You're being recorded. Don't move.
The liquor store's still closed. Ah, that's why she turned around and left?
Yeah.
Hope I didn't hurt it bad. Feel bad for the old boy. Oh yeah, I think we're good. Just dirty.
Yeah. Got lucky it was wet. That boy did. I mean, no doubt because it was soft.
Yeah.
You wouldn't need a detail. Man, it could have been a lot worse.
Yeah.
Sarah Bates was arrested and charged with her second DWI drug charge, reckless driving, driving on a suspended license, improper passing on the right, failure to stop at a red light, fleeing in a vehicle with substantial risk of danger or death, and theft of a vehicle. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.